I would like to invite Mr. Muralidhar Reddy and Mrs. Indulata Reddy and Mr. V. Srinivas onto the stage. They are the directors of SR Nagar Bachpan and Academic Heights Public Schools. A big round of applause. Parents, please put your hands together and welcome our directors onto the stage. Welcome, sirs. Welcome, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Mrudula Sharma, the director of Madhura Nagar Bachpan School. Mrs. Mrudula Sharma, Mr. Muralidhar Reddy and Mrs. Indulata Reddy, they are the directors of Madhura Nagar Bachpan School. Welcome, ma'am. Now I would like to invite Mr. C.H. Srinivas Rao, the director of Miyapur Bachpan and Academic Heights Public Schools. Now I would like to invite Mr. Manoj, the director of KPHB Bachpan and Academic Heights Public Schools. Welcome, sir. Now I would like to invite Mr. Sampath, the director of Moti Nagar Bachpan School, onto the stage. Now parents, put your hands together and welcome our guests once again. Thank you. Before we start our event, usually we take the blessings of Almighty. Let us take His blessings by ceremonial lighting of lamp. I request our honorable guests and the directors on the stage to light the lamp.
God is a circle whose circumference is nowhere and His center is everywhere. Wherever we are, whatever we do, He is ever and ever the same merciful one. Nothing can be achieved without His blessings. Now I request one and all to stand up in silence for the word of prayer. This is my prayer to Thee, my Lord. Give me the strength lightly to bear my joys and sorrows. Give me the strength to make my love fruitful in service. Give me the strength never to disown the poor or bend my knees before insolent might. Give me the strength to raise my mind high above daily trifles. Give me the strength to surrender Thy will with love. Now I request one and all to be seated. Hope the Almighty has showered His divine blessings on each one of us.
Thank you, dignitaries. Thank you very much. Now I request our dignitaries and our honorable guests to honor our school heads. I would like to call upon Mrs. Neeraj Kakkar, the principal of SR Nagar Academic Heights Public School, to the stage. I would like to invite Mrs. Ravanti ma'am, the director of Nizampet and Pragati Nagar Bachpan Group of Play Schools, onto the stage. I'd like to invite Miss Padma, Miss Archana and Mrs. Divya onto the stage. I would like to invite Miss Archana, the Counselor of Academic Heights Public School, and Mrs. Divya, the Counselor of Bachpan SR Nagar Group. Now I would like to invite Mrs. Funny Lakshmi, the counselor of Bachpan Madura Nagar. I would like to invite Mrs. Funny Lakshmi, the counselor of Bachpan Madura Nagar. I would like to invite Mrs. Nalini, the counselor of Bachpan Madura Nagar School. And I request our dignitaries on the dais to present memento to Mrs. Nalini. Thank you, dignitaries. Thank you very much. Now I request the dignitaries on the dais to be seated in the auditorium and grace the occasion and encourage our children.
Now, let us welcome the dynamic and dedicated team who put a lot of efforts for the success of Bachpan, a play school, and AHPS, and they are. This is the regional office team who work for the complete network of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, Bachpan and AHPS high schools. Give a big round of applause to them.
Respected regional directors, esteemed parents, teachers, students, special guests, ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all and welcome you to this wonderful event. I am grateful to all of you who have graced this annual function. It is always a pleasure to able to address young minds. Bright faces that I see here today will be the citizens of tomorrow. They may grow up to be Kalpana Chawlas, Gandhis, Kalams, Modis, Tendulkars, etc. of tomorrow. To grow up as good citizens, children need values. It is in our hands, in the hands of our school, teachers and parents to instill those values in them, which will help them to grow up as good human beings who will contribute to the society. We at AHPS and Bachpan believe that each child is born with immense potential. It is our duty to inspire and mold children to be successful leaders of tomorrow. Thus, we explore the many faces of every child. We inspire them to understand who they really are and what they want to do. We shape them to meet the challenges of today's world. We prepare them to work for a greater cause, that is the future. It also gives me great pleasure to present a very brief report of AHPS Bachpan, SR Nagar and Madura Nagar. This institution is the flagship of SK Educations Private Limited, which was launched in 2003. We are among the pioneers in providing professional and structured preschool education. Our brand Bachpan, a play school, has already spread its wings with more than 1,000 schools across the nation. AHPS is the extension of Bachpan with 100 plus schools nationwide. There are 20 HPS schools all over Telangana. Very shortly, we are going to be 25. Another feather in the cap of Bachpan, SR Nagar School is ranked among the top 10 preschools in India by Brainfeed magazine. Our director, Mrs. Indulata, received School Excellence Award at the 3rd National Conference on School Leadership at the Hotel Lee Meridian, New Delhi. And we, the staff of HPS and Bachpan, feel proud to be associated with this brand. At national level, Bachpan and Academic Heights Public School, based in New Delhi, is an ISO certified education institution. It is spearheaded by Mr. S.K. Gupta and Mr. Ajay Gupta, heading the operations. At regional level, it is headed by Mr. K. Srikant Reddy as Regional Director Operation and Mrs. K. Rupa Reddy as Regional Director Academics for Telangana State. As promised earlier, we started 2 secondary schools, one at Boduppal and the other at Shamshergarh. we are coming up with 3 more secondary schools. So dear parents, the school is till class 10. You need not worry anymore. Your children are in safe hands. Now I thank our regional director, Mr. K. Shrikant Reddy, and the other directors who are sitting here for their broad outlook and future vision. Early childhood is the most important phase for laying a strong foundation for the overall development. Here we are shaping young minds from kindergarten through primary and secondary education, thus endorsing the philosophy of cradle to career. AHPS and Bachpan is privileged to have a complete and qualified teaching fraternity. To promote interactive and student-centric teaching, we provide opportunities for authentic learning based on the students' needs, interests, and talents, thus tapping all-round potential through Prismart e-learning, which is the ultimate in edutainment. This academic year, we are going to start animation classes for 3rd to 6th grades. Curriculum development is going hand in hand with extracurricular activities, catering to the overall development of a child. In our attempt to achieve this, students have been exposed to various inter-school, state level, and international level competitions. In the National Science Olympiad, which was conducted on 5th November 2015, our students and Charvi, V. Abhishek of class 5, Akshita of class 4, Nikhil Abhiram of class 3, Alfia Barrera of class 2, V. Anshu of class 1 got gold medals. Congratulations, dear kids. M. Sanvika Reddy of class 1, B. Sai Lakshan of class 2, Chaitanya Chaudhary, M. Tejashwani, A. Chidrup, D. Ramapriya of class 3, Abhay of class 4, bagged silver medals. G. Harshita of class 1, G. Chetan Shankar of class 2, Krishna Dishita of class 2, G. Ajesha Reddy of class 4, bagged bronze medal. Let us give them a big hand of applause for bringing laurels to our institution. Maths Olympiad, which was conducted on 10 December 2015, P. Dinesh Rathore of class 1, Saida Alfia Barrera of class 2 got rupees 1,000 cash prize, international silver medal. Let us give her a big hand of applause. Well done, Barrera. We are proud of you. K. Yashwant of class 2, M. Tejashwani, Kiran Joshna, Nikhil Abhiram of class 3, Prachita Sahu, Mithun Sai of class 4, and V. Abhishek and Mohammad Mudassir of class 5 got gold medals of excellence. Roshendra of class 1B, Sohan of class 2A, Chidrup of class 3, Kundam of class 4, and Ikshu of class 5 bagged gold medals. G. Harshita of class 1, Shishant of class 2, Akshwita of class 3, Sai Akhil of class 4, and Charita K of class 5 bagged bronze medal. The 4th roller skating inter-school competitions, which was held on 19 November at St. Anne's High School, Madinagura, all little Bachpanites of Madura Nagar branch. Pragyot of UKG class won first prize and a gold medal. V. Rutvik Rao of UKG won second prize and silver medal. Congratulations, lovely kids. You are making us feel proud. We are also coming up with a university at Delhi. Now at the international level, Trinity College of London has awarded Master Chaitanya Chaudhary of grade 3 a merit certificate of excellence in music. It is an honor that he is a part of AHPS SR Nagar School. We congratulate Mr. Thompson Martin, his music teacher, for making him come to this level. Congratulations, Chaitanya. Coming to the events that have been organized within our school for this academic year, our school has organized month-wise extracurricular activities like show and tell, art and craft, drawing, Rakhi making, Hindi recitation, storytelling, diya decoration, rangoli, kite making, quiz, zonal-wise competition, sports event, and also science fair. Prizes for all these competitions were given on 15 August 2015 and 26 January 2016. Inter-school AHPS mega competitions were held at Delhi. SR Nagar students participated, and out of 11 competitions, we got prizes for 9. competition. Children bagged gold, silver, and bronze medal. Talasani Srinivas Yadav Garu, Minister of Telangana, congratulated and honored Naga Sarvagnya for bagging the gold medal in long tennis. Congratulations, Naga. We are very proud of you. Dear parents, let them please give a big hand of applause to all these deserving students of AHPS and Bachpan. The main objective of our annual function is to provide a platform for the students to display their inborn talents and skills. This annual day event will showcase the little ones at their creative best, and that too at such a young age. We make sure that every student of our school performs on stage for various events. We not only focus on excellence in academics, but also do not forget that education does not mean mathematics or physics alone. Education means intellectual, emotional, cultural, and social development of a person. It is not marks on report sheet alone that make a man. It's her, his complete outlook that makes him, her successful. Children are like clay that can be molded into any form. Their mind can imbibe any hue. We focus on sports, art, and culture in our education. Apart from academics, grooming our students with respect to traditions, religion, and Indian culture is also our primary goal. You will agree with me that today, in addition to technology and expertise, the grooming in Bharatiya Sabhita is a must. I assure to all the parents of young children residing in the city that they won't have to worry about the quality of education of their children anymore. We are here to take care of all-round growth of your children. Besides intellectual development, their physical growth and overall personality development are given due emphasis at AHPS and Bachpan. This approach can be seen as the success mantra behind the nationwide recognition to Bachpan and AHPS in such a short span of time. It's a proud experience for me to be a part of this wonderful group, and the quality and benchmark that we have established in child education sector will be evident when you enjoy the remarkable performances by our talented and bright students tonight. So, ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing our future leaders showcase their talents and charisma. Adore them, cheer them, and cherish in your hearts these fond memories of the blooming little buds, opening up into lovely flowers, their fragrance spreading far and wide. So, friends, cheer them, be one with them, soak in their electrifying performances, smell the lovely fragrance, and let positive energy flow. With these words, I welcome all and thank you all for providing us your esteemed company for our annual day. Thank you, one and all.